안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I will make a quick and simple yet super delicious stir-fried noodle dish using udon noodles, shaved beef, and veggies. It is called 차돌박이 우동볶음 in Korean. Start to boil some water in separate pots for both mung bean sprout and udon noodles. Meanwhile, let's prepare the veggie ingredients. So, chop the cabbage, the onion, and red hot pepper into thin 2-inch strips. Cut the green onions into 1-inch pieces and slice the garlic cloves thinly. Prepare the mung bean sprouts by removing any bad parts and rinse them in cold water. Put the mung bean sprout in boiling water and cook it for about 2 minutes on medium-high. We also need these udon noodles. So add the noodles in the boiling water and cook it for about 2 minutes on medium-high. For the delicious sauce, we need the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, the cooking oil, the vinegar, the sugar, and the black pepper. Mix them all together. On a heated pan or wok, put the shaved beef and season the beef with the salt and black pepper. Brown the meat on medium-high. Add chopped cabbage, onion, and the garlic slices to the beef, along with about half of the sauce. Stir fry for about 2 minutes on high. When the noodles are done cooking, rinse the noodles in cold water once or twice. This will help to get a nice and chewy noodle texture. Now add the cooked mung bean sprouts, noodles, green onions, and red hot pepper. Then put rest of the sauce mixture to the pan and stir fry for 2 more minutes. Finally, sprinkle the sesame seeds. Please try this delicious 차돌박이 우동볶음 someday. And if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.